In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grow your brand effortlessly online. Now, I'm going to leave a link at the description. You are going to be able to access this document that you're seeing right now. And this document is going to contain all the strategies, all the templates, all the prompts, everything that you need to start building your business and automating it online. Let's go. Now, if you prefer to get started by going to the link and getting this bundle, that's fine. But if you prefer to just keep watching and then later on you can go to the link, that's fine. This is the document that you're going to access. You are going to get a bundle that is called Digital Wealth Bundle. You're going to see in a minute what is inside of it. You're also going to get a 45-minute Instagram Reel Attraction Masterclass. It's basically a class all about Instagram, how to get started, how to optimize your account, and how to begin making money from your brand with Instagram. You're also going to get the caption, the storage templates, and a lot of other stuff that are inside the bundle. Now, without wasting any other minute, let me show you what to expect to find within the bundle. All right, so you're going to only need what we call the Google Drive. Okay, so you'll be able to access this through your Google Drive. You just need a Gmail account and you're good to go. Now, this is a masterclass that I was talking about. This is Instagram growth hack guide. You also get the Manychat automation. You get social media bundles. You get done for you reels and carousel. You get sales and marketing mastery, 500 ChatGPT prompt guide, creating digital products with ChatGPT, storytelling marketing technique ebook. You get the digital and IG marketing strategies, email marketing, how to become a content creator guide, done for you hooks and reels, launching and marketing your website guide, faceless marketing guide. Nowadays, we know you don't even have to show your face in growing your brand. You can actually grow and make money without ever showing your face online. Learn how to monetize with hooks and captions. Faceless Instagram, I just talked about faceless marketing. Social media bundle, you get the hooks, the CTAs, 90 days of content ideas. And definitely, I always give bonus in everything that I offer online. You get templates, email templates. You also get guides to create and selling digital products. You get prompts, understanding social media ebook. You get extra prompts. You learn affiliate marketing. That is an area of interest. Drop shipping, TikTok marketing. Guys, let me just take you inside of Canva. Now, you need to access this using a free or a paid Canva account. Just go to the link and click on it. And then click on Edit Templates. Okay. All right, so get started from here. Now, this is a 45-minute short reel attraction. This Instagram masterclass, showing how to attract your dream clients through Instagram Reels. Learn how to set up your account, optimize it, account setup, and learn how to do a good bio that will bring you business. So you get trained by a coach who's been really successful in this. And so she shows all the strategies that you can apply in your business and you start seeing results soon. All right. Let's go to the next one. Now, once you've created your Instagram account, you need to start automating your business because you want to begin creating content, and definitely you don't want to be online every time responding to people. So you need a way that you can be able to talk to people even when you're asleep. So why not let Manychat do that for you? It's a free tool. You can begin at no cost. It won't cost you anything. And this with this bundle, you're able to access 12 automation templates. Okay, so this is the second bundle or template that you get. Just click on use templates to access it. So again, you get to access everything inside of Canva. Okay, so here, sorry. So here is a guide on how to get started with Manychat automation. And so you may need to use automation, or rather automate your business through in different ways. Probably you want to build an email list, you want to make a giveaway, you want to book appointments for your coaching business, you want to sell your courses, you want to start up help, online courses, lead generation, webinar leads, sales coupon. Let's see what you get from the templates. So this is the template that you get. This is a done for you template. Now, once you've already registered your Manychat, account, you just need to, if you want to build an email list, you just need to save to Manychat. So as you can see, let me zoom it a little bit so that you're able to see. So this is where someone maybe says, comments a certain word that will trigger the conversation to get started. So once they comment a specific word, then you, in quotes, now Manychat will respond to this person and say, hey, thank you for reaching out. Are you excited to get our free ebook? Then the free book name that will help you 10 times your income. Do you prefer I send them to your email or just want to grab the link here? 1, email would be great. 2, just send the link. So, and then this person is obviously is going to choose whatever they want. Now, if they say email it is, please provide it below. You know, it's you're having a conversation with this person as if you are, you're talking to them. Now, once if you're satisfied with this, and of course it's very good, you just save to Manychat. So automatically the template saves itself in your Manychat account. So, and as you can see, we have different templates, and these templates will go with any niche. Guys, the best way nowadays is to automate your business, and that is a very simple way for you to be able to make money even when you're sleeping. Now let's begin creating for our accounts. Now, and this, by the way, these strategies apply in both TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, because we know all these platforms, and even YouTube Shorts, we know all these platforms have the capability, or they all use Reel, or the short form videos, and you can make one video and spread it all over your accounts in all those social media accounts. So let's quickly look at the posts, the stories, and the ebook mockup that we have. So you'll also be able to access this through Canva. A free account is good to go. If you have a paid one, it's fine. So you get templates. So you just go in and put in your brand color and the font that you prefer, and you're good to go. So you're saving a lot of time using these templates. Okay, so here are the templates. You can just work with them or edit, put in the photos, the images. As you can see, you can always change the images that are there. Now, the other things that you get also are the images. You can download images that you can use in your business. As you can see, these are stock images. You also get some motherhood aesthetic images. Dark aesthetic. And this guy, you get reels, done for you reels, so that if you want to start a faceless account, you can begin with this. You can either create your own content without showing your face, or you can go in and begin using this done for you. So you just put a hook, the message, and the caption in your contents. The real strategy is very good for anyone who is into digital products. So you just need to put in a hook there, you put a message there and a CTA down there, and then do a great caption. And within this bundle you get caption samples, ChatGPT prompts that can help you create captivating captions and also relevant hashtags. So you guys, if this interests you, I would urge you, if you're looking to begin growing a strong brand online and begin making money online, automate it. So guys, the link is at the description. Go ahead and check out this bundle. This is life-saving. This saves a lot of time, especially the automation and getting all the done for you templates and all this stuff. See you on the next one.